Hey everyone, as you can see, it's dark out right now. I just got finished doing my dip bar challenge. Did I want to go and do them right now? Absolutely not. I had a really busy day. The day started off really well. I drank some coffee, did some reading, listened to some good stuff on YouTube, and then I did a jump rope and running workout plus a little bit of calisthenics. So the day started off really well, and then I had a really busy day between work. I'm a teacher by day, and then afterwards I had a lot of chores to do. I had to go to the supermarket, to a tailor, and then I also had to go to the car mechanic, which was unexpected, and that took a couple hours. So after getting home, I ate some food, and I really just wanted to sit inside. But because I set this challenge for myself, regret would weigh on my mind if I didn't do it. It was easier to go and do the workout then.